Hello friends, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to fix ghost touch on iPhone. Method 1. Restart your iPhone. If your iPhone screen is reacting even when you haven't touched, start with a quick reboot. Restarting your iPhone can clear up ghost touch problems if they're caused by an app. Second method, disconnect third-party charger and accessories. If you are using an iPhone charger or an accessory that isn't Apple certified, disconnect the accessory and see if the problem continues. Third solution, clean your screen. Remove dirt, dust and debris using a soft, lint-free cloth. If your phone is detecting phantom touches, it might be reacting to something on your screen. Fourth solution, remove or replace your screen protector. Fifth solution, try a different iPhone case, or you can remove your iPhone case to check the problem is fixed or not. Sixth solution, check your accessibility settings. Tap on settings, tap on accessibility, tap on touch, tap on assistive touch. If it's enabled, you must have to disable assistive touch from here and then check the problem is fixed or not. And the last and final solution is reset your iPhone settings. To do that, go to settings, tap on general, tap on transfer or reset iPhone and select erase all content and settings. Tap on continue and follow steps to finish the process. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.